Hey guys, welcome back to my Ninja Goals. So we're in Mission School at Night. Okay, come on, we got no time to lose. Is it just me or we got no sounds as usual? Oh, okay. Morning. Whoa. Well, that is a problem, of course. Where did it come from? What's this? Ohio. Everyone's here. Wait, someone know. Oh yeah, okay. I should agree. Yeah. I can think. Oh, the cosplay. Getting stream. Okay. Oh yeah, cookies. Double boost, I guess. So let's see. Yeah, principal. Mini. You know what? Poor you. And I. Oh, second. And I just say, guys. Oh, oh. You can trust me. Come on. So. Oh, yippee. Yeah, get me. Oh, lol. What's wrong? Scared? Oh, nervous. I'm nervous now. Oh, okay. Alright, feel now. Yeah, I get Mew. Phew, I'm safe. Kinda scary, but I'm safe. Whew. Oh, I see. Oh, why like this? It's a rabbit so. Quack. But stop laughing. Square. I currently laughing now. Principal, what the heck? Kuzuru your name. This music. Ah, the power of Iron Man, of course. Surprise? Whoa! The scroll. Oh, Mr. Arno, that's me. Oh, okay. Man. So the scroll was with the principal all along. This loading. Okay. Square. Smile, Mr. Rabbit. Man, okay. She's something special. Okay. Hmm. Whoa. That's actually what? Oh. Oh no. If Tony said hey, I get bad feeling about this. Okay, please, Yamobuki, don't patch in. Limitation. It's shurikens? Oh, you mean shurikens. Oh, yeah. Oh, surprise. Oh, I suspect that from this girl. I get bad feeling. Fine, let's go. Yo! Boom! Ugh. Whoa! I get the kill you. I get bad feeling that's. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Please give this a like and subscribe, man. See you guys.